rays cut through my eyes like glass, pain in my chest scrapes. It feels like birds have broken wings and they can't escape. Like birds in the dark, feeling sky when truth isn't bulletproof. I'd open my heart to let them all out, to see if they even move. Wake me up with a shotgun sound. Half the truth is a whole lie that goes round, round and round, so my birds won't fly. Your silence pierced my eardrums, worse than the screeching birds. Don't make a noise if there is no honesty in your words. A lie is a bed made out of rocks, but it feels softer than my pain. Real trust may heal broken wings, but then how can I trust again? Wake me up with a shotgun sound. Half the truth is a whole lie that goes round, round and round, so my birds won't fly. Wake me up with a shotgun sound. Half the truth is a whole lie that goes round,